Security professionals are constantly being challenged to validate the effectiveness of their security program. Do I have the right controls, in the right places, looking for and escalating the right events? Secureworks makes it easier to answer these questions through robust reporting. Reporting that enables you to discover vulnerabilities and adversarial tactics, validate alert handling and investigations, justify security investments, and fulfill regulatory compliance requirements. The Secureworks Taegis portal provides 3 methods for generating reports that cover a wide array of use cases. In many instances, predefined templates provide an easy and efficient way of generating reports. Our reporting templates include an executive summary, alert and investigation summaries, and a user administration report, all available from the Reports page. A simple wizard with customizable reporting timeframes makes it easy to create these reports in seconds. They can be created on demand or scheduled to run daily, weekly, monthly, or annually and distributed to any Taegis portal user. A second way to generate a report is from your custom dashboard. Once you have configured your dashboard to suit your needs, generating a one-time report is as easy as 2 mouse clicks. Lastly, while template-based reports are excellent for general use cases, some users may need more precision and specificity in a report. That's why Secureworks provides the ability to create custom reports based on results covering thousands of search options. The output of these searches can be shared among all portal users and used to create both one-time and recurring reports. Extensive documentation and guidance, including search examples, are available directly in the Taegis portal search page, as well as the Secureworks public-facing documentation page. These reports enable the security leaders to quickly identify risk and determine areas of focus for threat mitigation, prioritize security spending, and assess current security practice maturity. For security analysts, reports can be used to visualize granular technical details of advanced searches, as well as historical trending of alerts based on severity and the sensor that generated them. Investigation handling trends. Review the top sources of alerts based on username, hostname, source, and destination IP address. A detailed analysis of the alert lifecycle from origination to investigation to disposition. Demonstrating the strength of your security posture has never been simpler, thanks to the ease and efficiency of Secureworks reporting.